All right. One thing, one interesting thing that Google just did was bring in the Gemini feature to Android Auto. So with Gemini on Android Auto, you're able to converse with Gemini almost naturally, right? Compared to what you had where it was sort of like a conversation where you give instructions to Google Assistant, and then Google Assistant responds. You say, "Oh, navigate to home," and then it's either hit or miss. If that instruction matches with a very good intent, it does that. So this update is massive in the sense that now you can chat Google Assistant in a way that in almost a natural conversation. You can chat it like it's almost a natural conversation that you have. So those are the differences, and let me demo that for you to see. So you can see here, I can just say, "Hey Gemini, what do I have in my calendar for today?"
Sure. Which app do you want to use?
Use the Google Calendar.
Okay. You have 6 events on your Google Calendar today, including the FPL deadline, Liverpool versus Chelsea, Sunderland versus Manchester United, and Manchester City
There you
versus
go.
Brentford. Is there anything else you need help with?
Could you navigate me to a nearby filling station that has the cheapest gas, rather?
To get improved suggestions on places around you, Gemini needs your precise location.
Navigate to the
I
cheapest
found a few
filling
nearby.
station. Yeah.
The Pioneer on Victoria Street South and the Pioneer on Highland Road West both have regular gas for $1.70. The one on Victoria Street is closer, just 450 meters away. Would you like to go to one of these, or hear more options?
Yeah, go to the nearest one.
Okay, navigating to Pioneer.
So you see, the conversation is very natural. I could be driving, for instance, and then tell Gemini to take me to the nearest filling station with the cheapest gas available, which is a lot of multiple intents. It's just beyond one intent in this case. It's more than one intent, and it is able to do that for you, something which you couldn't really do with Google Assistant. With Google Assistant, it was just one action at a time, and you have to be very, very specific in the choice of words you use. Unlike this, where you could just converse like you're speaking with somebody, and it will listen to it, and then it would capture it and give you and match that to an intent. So you could read through your apps better, you can look at your calendar better, you can look at your Google Maps better, and different things that Gemini brings to the game. So I think it's a massive improvement. If you ask me, it's a wonderful improvement having Gemini now on Android Auto. Now you can actually navigate to places relatively easily with Gemini. Summary, right? Assistant was more or less like a voice remote control, whereas Gemini is closer to your co-pilot while actually driving, because you can have natural conversations with it. But please remember to focus on the road while driving. Please do not. I think it actually warns you. Gemini warns you once you get started. It tells you that you need to focus on the road while driving. Do not risk your life while talking to Gemini. Cheers. I hope you found this one useful. Cheers. Please like, subscribe, and follow. See you next time.